Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we solve internet problem in our Poco phone guys. You want to solve your internet problem in your Poco phone, so then how can you solve? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. Friends, now let's see how can we solve internet problem in Poco phone. Guys, open your phone setting guys and scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone. So friends, click on guys your connection setting. Then guys again scroll. Friends, you can see guys your reset setting guys. Tap here. Guys, you can see guys your tap here the reset setting. Then guys your network problem will solve in your Poco phone after 10 seconds guys. Guys wait here. Don't click on your screen. Wait here guys. Fail to even doubt it to guys your problem setting, you can ask me in comment section guys. You can see setting has been reset means network setting has been reset guys, and guys your internet setting has solved guys. You can use your internet setting without any problem. Suppose guys you have any another problem, so don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.